I couldn't come to school yesterday. What did you learn for maths?
Yesterday we learnt multiplication and division of integers.
Oh, is it difficult?
No, actually it's very easy. It's easier than addition and subtraction of integers. You watch this video, then you can understand it properly.
That's a good news. What? Multiplication and division of integers is easier than addition and subtraction of integers. Why? What's the reason? When you multiply and divide integers, you have to remember few rules. If you remember these few rules, you can easily multiply and divide integers. We have to follow the same set of rules for multiplication and division of integers. First, we'll see these rules. If you multiply a positive number by another positive number, your answer is positive. If you multiply a negative number by another negative number, your answer is positive. If you multiply a positive number by a negative number, then you will get a negative answer. If you multiply a negative number by a positive number, then also you will get a negative answer. In the same way, if you divide a positive number by another positive number, you will get a positive answer. If you divide a negative number by another negative number, then also you will get a positive answer. But if you divide a positive number by a negative number, your answer is negative. If you divide a negative number by a positive number, your answer is negative. Did you understand these rules? If we multiply two integers with the same sign, the answer is positive. If both are positive, the answer is positive. And also, if both are negative, the answer is positive. But if they are in different signs, then the answer is negative. It means if one is positive and the other one is negative, the answer is negative. Only these two things you have to remember. Multiply two numbers with same sign, answer is positive. Multiply two numbers with different signs, answer is negative. That's all. Here both are positive. 5 multiplied by 3. You know if both are positive, answer is positive. 5 times 3 is 15. Answer is positive 15. Minus 5 multiplied by minus 3. Both are negative. First we will multiply the numbers. 5 times 3 is 15. If both are negative, answer is positive. Then positive 15. Negative multiplied by negative is positive. Then the next one, positive 5 multiplied by negative 3. 5 times 3 is 15. Different signs, so answer is negative. Positive into negative is negative. Last one, negative 5 multiplied by positive 3. Same thing, one is negative, the other one is positive. 5 times 3 is 15. Answer is negative. Then look at this example. Positive 4 multiplied by negative 3. Positive number multiplied by negative number. First we will multiply the two numbers. 4 times 3 is 12. Sign should be negative because one is positive and the other one is negative. So answer is negative. Then negative 8 multiplied by positive 5. 8 times 5 is 40. Sign should be negative because one is positive, other one is negative. Then negative 7 multiplied by negative 3. Both are negative. Then you will get a positive answer. 7 times 3 is 21. It is positive 21. Negative into negative is positive. Then minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Both are negative. So answer should be positive. Positive 16. Next one, 10 multiplied by minus 9. 10 times 9, 90. Positive multiplied by negative is negative. Answer is negative 90. Let's see some more examples. We have to follow the same set of rules for division of integers also. First we will divide 20 by minus 5. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Positive divided by negative is negative. So answer is minus 4. Next one, minus 30 divided by minus 6. 30 divided by 6 is 5. Negative divided by negative. If both are in same sign, answer is positive. So answer is plus 5. Next one, 27 divided by minus 3. 27 divided by 3 is 9. One is positive and the other one is negative. So the answer is negative. Answer is minus 9. Next one, minus 64 divided by 8. One is negative and the other one is positive. So answer should be negative. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Answer is minus 8. Last example, minus 35 divided by minus 7. 35 divided by 7 is 5. Both are in same sign. Negative divided by negative is positive. If both are in same sign, answer is positive. Do you like to know the reason for this? Why do we get a negative answer when we multiply positive number by a negative number? I will explain it using the number line. I will multiply positive 5 by negative 1. Here I selected 1 because 1 is a factor of any number. If you multiply any number by 1, the answer is the number itself. So I will multiply 5 by minus 1. When you multiply 5 by minus 1, then this 5 goes to the opposite direction of that number. What is the opposite direction of positive 5? It is negative 5, just like a mirror image. That is why we will get a negative answer when we multiply a positive number by a negative number. If you multiply positive 3 by negative 1, it goes to the opposite direction. So it goes to negative 3. Opposite direction of positive 3 is negative 3. In the same way, if you multiply a negative number by negative 1, then that number goes to its opposite side. Its opposite side is positive side. Example, I will multiply negative 1 by negative 1. What is the opposite direction of negative 1? It is positive 1. So it goes to positive 1. That is why we get a positive answer when we multiply a negative number by another negative number. Am I correct? Multiplication and division of integers is easier than addition and subtraction. At home, you can practice these things. We have come to the end of the lesson. We will meet in another mathematical video. Till that, subscribe the YouTube channel, share the video with your friends. Stay safe. Goodbye.